Good Friday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA with Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for September 20th, 2013. Starting off with the GFS this morning and a synoptic overview of what we're looking at. This is actually Friday afternoon, and a couple different things we're looking at here on the map here synoptically. And one being this high pressure that's now sitting offshore here, being this position, the winds will come out of the south or southwest and allow temperatures to warm up a little bit today to above normal levels. Second thing is, you got an obvious thing that jumps out of here is this low pressure sitting over southeastern Canada. There's an associated cold front attached to this that's actually going to move through on Saturday afternoon and evening, and then into the overnight hours on Saturday night. Okay, and we're going to take a look at this going forward here. And you can see the cold front is actually consolidating. One of the things we're going to be watching for is low pressure to develop along this cold front. For the last couple of days, many of the operational models have been suggesting this low pressure would form along the boundary. And what that will do is actually enhance the rainfall a little bit, make it a little bit heavier as the cold front comes through and it forms along that front here. So we could have some heavier showers and thunderstorms moving from west to east across central PA, then eastern PA and New Jersey later on Saturday evening. We're going to take a look at the NAM high res here. This is the future radar. Now this is a composite radar reflectivity for Saturday afternoon at 2 p.m. and you can see much of central PA is under the gun here for showers and thunderstorms. Being a composite reflectivity, this is not a base reflectivity, so this is actually probably enhanced a little bit too much as far as what the actual radar will be, but still showing where the heavier bands will be moving in with this frontal boundary, and as it moves east it actually consolidates and gets a little bit heavier. Here's 5 p.m. You can see some just a nice line forming here with just the heavier showers and thunderstorms. I don't think it's going to be a severe weather producer. But this is going to be something that you can have, the showers and thunderstorms move through that dump heavy rainfall. That's going to be your primary concern as this moves across. But this being 5 p.m., this is as far as it gets, so it's getting into our western counties here of a coverage area here, and then in the future timestamp here at 8 p.m. On Saturday, it now moves into, you see heavy rain sitting over eastern Pennsylvania, just making its way to New Jersey at this point. Now the NAM high res actually takes this a little bit faster and takes it out of here faster. Here's 2 o'clock in the morning Sunday, 5 a.m. You can see the pre-dawn hours, it's already starting to move out. All right, that's not the case in the other models, but we might get away with not dealing with any showers at all during the daylight hours on Sunday, but we'll have to take a look and see if that does in fact come to fruition. Let's go back to the GFS here now. We want to see what this does after that point here. The low pressure, of course, moves across here on Saturday night. And then if you look at Sunday morning here, here's Sunday morning, still some showers over New Jersey here early on, but this low pressure and the associated cold front is now moving off to the northeast, and high pressure is getting ready to move in behind it. So it could turn out to be a very nice day on Sunday. Here's late Sunday. Here's the high pressure moving in. One thing is going to be for sure behind this cold front is you're going to go back to the autumn temperatures again. So we're not going to be dealing with the temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 like it's going to be on Friday. Instead, we're going to be back down to 60s and 70s, and actually pretty much for the upcoming week. One last model to look at here. This is the European model. Again, same thing, pretty much in agreement here. You got the cold front that's pushing through here, and this is 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. Still showing some showers ahead of the front here. Now, this is for the previous 6 hours, so it might actually be out of the area a little bit earlier than is shown here. So this is not an exact what it's going to look like at 8 a.m. This is showing for the total precipitation for the previous 6 hours between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. on Sunday. So this could actually already be out of here, and this front continues to move offshore. And again, the high pressure moves in behind it and sets up a nice couple days here for a nice couple autumn days behind it here. And I'll show you that here real quick on the the European model after this moves out. Got absolutely nothing. Got a system moving by to our south here. This is the same system that some models earlier in the week was suggesting would be a coastal storm move up the coast. That is not going to be the case. This is just going to head off aimlessly out to sea from the Carolinas, almost due eastward. And then the rest of the week's nothing at all. We have nothing as far as precipitation is concerned, maybe until a cold front comes late next weekend. So this upcoming week, you might get some heavy rain here on Saturday when this cold front moves through here. Here's the cold front with a heavier rain that could move through, but you're not really looking at any precipitation again for the upcoming week. So it's going to be a very dry week and very autumn feel to it for at least the first part of the week. I am Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for September 20th, 2013. Have a great Friday.